Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with the continuation of model paper 1 Karnataka board. So in my previous video I have completed till question number 22. So let us begin now with the question number 23. So the question number 23 is, draw a line segment of AB 8 centimeter and divide it in the ratio 3:2. This is the question from construction where divide the line segment in the ratio. For this problem, you can refer my previous video of the construction chapter where I have explained this construction thoroughly. इस प्रॉब्लम के लिए आप लोग मेरी प्रीवियस वीडियो जिसमें मैंने कंस्ट्रक्शन चैप्टर को थरोली एक्सप्लेन किया है वहाँ पे देख सकते हैं. आई विल जस्ट सेंड द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. ओके, सो यू कैन रेफर दिस प्रॉब्लम इन दैट वीडियो by clicking on the link. So let us see the question number 24. In the figure given below, find the value of sin theta and cos alpha. You can see here they have asked sin theta and cos alpha. Figure is given here. PQR is given. PQ they have given 12 centimeter. PR they have given 13 centimeter and QR they have given 5 centimeter. They have told us to find sin theta and cos alpha. Theta is here and alpha is here. Now our focus should be on, if angle this side is there, this will be the opposite side, and if angle this side is there, then this is the opposite side. And angle line is nothing but adjacent side. Here angle line is a adjacent side. Now what they have told, sin theta, here only I will solve. Sin theta is equals to, we know that opposite upon adjacent. Opposite upon, sin is opposite upon hypotenuse. Sin theta, theta is this side. We can see properly here sin theta. If the angle theta is here, opposite side is QR. QR upon hypotenuse PR. Opposite theta, angle theta is this side, so opposite upon hypotenuse. QR upon PR, that is 5 upon sin theta is equals to 5 upon 13. What they have asked next, that is cos alpha. Let us see now cos alpha. Angle alpha is this side. If it is angle here, then this will be the opposite side. So cos is nothing but adjacent upon hypotenuse. We know cos is nothing but adjacent upon hypotenuse. So adjacent, this is the adjacent. Theta is this, angle is this. So adjacent side is QR upon PR. If theta is here, alpha is here, angle is here, this is opposite, this is adjacent. And if angle is here, this is opposite, this is adjacent. We should remember it well. So cos alpha, angle is here, this is adjacent. QR upon PR, hypotenuse as it is. So QR is nothing but 5 upon 13. So cos sin theta value is 5 by 13. Cos alpha value is also 5 by 13. Let us start now. Fourth main. Answer the following question of 3 marks. Here there are 9 problems of 3 marks which total is 27 marks. Let me see the question number 25th. The sum of two natural number is 9 and the sum of their reciprocal is 9 by 20. Find the numbers. Or they have asked the question, find the numbers. Let the numbers be. Question number 25, that is fourth main. Find the numbers they have told. Let the two numbers be. Let the two numbers be x and y. According to given question, sum of two natural number is 9. Sum according to given condition, x plus y is 9 and sum of their reciprocal is 9 by 20. Sum of their reciprocal. Reciprocal is nothing but 1 by x plus 1 upon y is equals to 9 by 20. First condition is sum of two number is 9. Sum of their reciprocal is 9 by 20. यहाँ पे क्या बताया गया है, लेट द, हम लोगों को दो नंबर अज्यूम करना है, दैट इज x एंड y. सम ऑफ टू नंबर्स, दो नंबर के दरमियान जो है सम है, दैट इज 9. एंड सम ऑफ देयर रेसिप्रोकल, रेसिप्रोकल 1 by x प्लस 1 by y इज इक्वल टू 9 by 20. नाउ for this equation what we can do, y value we will find. Y I'll keep as it is, 9 here only. X I'll bring here, plus x will become minus x. So we got y value. Now we'll put this y value in this condition, given condition. That is 1 by x plus y value is 9 minus x is equals to 9 by 20. We will solve this, cross multiply. 9 minus x into 1 is 9 minus x, cross multiply. 9 minus x into 1, 9 minus x plus x into 1 is x upon x into 9 minus x. X in 9 minus x into 1, 9 minus x. X into 1 is x, then this into this. We should know that cross multiply how we have to do. This into this and this into this and this into this is equals to 9 by 20 as it is. Here we can see x get cancelled because 1 plus 1 minus always get cancelled. So 9 upon x into 9, 9x minus x into x, x square is equals to 9 by 20. 9 get cancelled. Okay. So here what we got now, 1 upon 9x minus x square is equals to 1 upon 20. Let us cross multiply this. 9x minus x into 1. 9x minus x square into 1 is equals to 20 ones are 20. Okay. So here I will change. We know that standard form of quadratic equation is x square will come first, minus x square as it is, plus 9x, 20 I'll bring here, minus 20 equal to 0. So let us change the equation, sign of the equation. So the whole equation sign let us change. Minus x square will write x square, plus 9x minus 9x, and minus 20 plus 20. If we want to change the sign of the equation, we should change the sign of the whole equation. Okay. Now it is like standard form of quadratic equation. We can do the factorize here. So we know how to do the factorize. First and last number we have to multiply. 1 into 20, 20. Okay. We should find two factors such a way that when we multiply we should get 20 and when we add or subtract we should get 9. दो ऐसे नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है जो मल्टीप्लाई करने पर 20 आना है और ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट करने पर 9 आना है विद अ नेगेटिव साइन. तो कैसे मिलेगा? वी नो दैट 10 2s are 20, but 10 minus 2 is 8 and 10 plus 2 is 12. That is not possible. So one more, 5 4s are 20. Here we can do 5 4s are 20, but 5 4s are 20, we will not get minus sign. If we put both negative sign, minus minus is plus. 5 plus 4, 9, and minus minus doing plus, but sign will be minus. And when we multiply this, will minus minus becomes plus. So let us write here x square minus 5x minus 4x. In place of 9x, we have to write this. Plus 20 equals to 0. This is the factorize which you have learned already in 9th standard and 8th standard. How to do factorize? You people are well perfect as being a 10th standard student. Now, what we have to do? We have to take out the common in between this. In this common is x. Let us take x common. If x is common, one more x is left out. So we'll write x as it is, minus sign as it is. X I have taken common, so 5 left. Now minus 4 common I am taking. If I take minus 4 common, x left. Minus 4 common I have taken, so yes, sign will change, that is minus, and 4 5s are 20 equals to 0. X minus 5, both bracket, 2 brackets, so 1 common. What is left? X minus 4. So x minus 5 equal to 0. X minus 4 equal to 0. X is equals to 5 minus 5. If I bring this side, it will become plus 5, or x is equals to 4. Here we have x two values. So let us find how we will find the y value. If x is equals to 5, then y is equals to, we have here y is equals to 9 minus x. Alright, y is equals to 9 minus x. Y is equals to 9 minus 5. Y is equals to 9 minus 5 is 4. And when x is equals to 4, then y is equals to 9 minus 4. Y is equals to 5. Same value we will get. Therefore, the two numbers are, find the two numbers they have told now. Therefore, the two numbers are 4 and 5. So this complete the question number 25. Let us see now question number 25. There is a choice or. Okay, we'll find this question now. The perimeter and area of a rectangular playground are 80 meter and 384 meter square respectively. Find the length and breadth of the playground. What they have asked the question here. The perimeter and area of rectangular playground is, first one is perimeter, that is 80 meter, and area is 384 meter respectively. Find the length and breadth of the playground. We have to find the length and breadth of the playground. Okay, it is given that perimeter is equals to 80 meter and area is equals to 384 meter square of rectangular playground. We know that they have told in the rectangular playground. We know that perimeter of rectangle is nothing but 2L plus B. Perimeter it is given 80. 80 is equals to 2L plus B. 2 is in a multiply position. If we bring this side, it becomes divide. 80 by 2 is equals to L plus B. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 0. So we got L plus B is equals to 40, and we will find how B is equals to 40 minus L. So here we got B value 40 as it is we kept, L we took this side. Now we know that area. Okay, area of rectangle is, area of rectangle they have given 384. Area of rectangle is length into breadth is equals to 384. L let it be as it is. Breadth value is 40 minus L is equals to 384. Okay. Now L into 40, 40L minus L into L, L square minus 384. I bought this side is equals to 0. So let us change. First L square will write minus L square plus 40L minus 384. I didn't change the sign here. Now let us change the whole sign because the beginning sign is negative. We will change the whole equation sign. L square minus 40L minus becomes plus 384 equal to 0. Now let us find the factors. That is 384 is a bigger number. Directly we cannot find the factors. So let us find 384. Factors of 384s. 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, then 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 1 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Sorry, here directly 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Okay, these are the factors of 384. So here let us see, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, one group. Then 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Now we can see here factors 384 is equals to 16, we got 24. 16 plus 24 is 40. So 16 into 24 is 384. We got minus 16 minus 24. So let us write in place of 40. Factorize, you know, everyone know very well regarding the factorize. So let us write now L square minus 16L minus 24L plus 384 equal to 0. In place of minus 40L, what we have written? Minus 16L minus 24L. So what is common in this? L is common. I'll write L outside. 1 L left. Minus L common we have taken 16. Minus 24 common. L as it is. Minus common I have taken. So plus becomes minus 24. 16s are 384 equal to 0. So both L minus 16, L minus 16 common bracket outside, L minus 24 equal to 0. Therefore L is equals to 16 or L is equals to 24. Now here two positive numbers we got. So when L, same like previous problem, when L is equals to 16, then B is equals to, we have written in a bracket, B is equals to 40 minus L. B is equals to 40 minus L, what we have taken? 16. B is equals to 24. Okay, if L is 16, B is 24. When L is equals to 24, then B is equals to 40 minus 24 is nothing but 16. Okay. Therefore, they have told us to find the length and breadth. Now, therefore, the length and breadth of rectangular playground is 16 meter and 24 meter. So this is the solution for question number 25th. Now let us see the question number 26th here. Prove that sin theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cos theta upon 1 minus tan theta is equal to sin theta plus cos theta. This we have to prove. Okay. Let me start proving this. What is given? Prove that sin theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cos theta upon 1 minus tan theta is equals to sin theta plus cos theta. This they have given and we should bring the answer this. We have to prove the answer sin theta plus cos theta. Let us take LHS. LHS is equals to sin theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cos theta upon 1 minus tan theta. Now our answer should be in sin and cos. So what we have to do is sin theta we should keep as it is. 1 minus cot theta means we know that cos upon sin. To solve trigonometric problem we should be perfect in the identities first. Cot theta is nothing but cos theta upon sin theta plus as it is numerator cos theta as it is. 1 minus tan theta is nothing but sin theta upon cos theta. Okay. Now in next step, sin theta in the numerator we should keep as it is. Now let us cross multiply here. Sin theta into 1 is sin theta minus cos theta. We have multiplied this into this now. So the whole upon sin theta now. Plus numerator cos theta as it is upon cos theta into 1 is cos theta minus sin theta as it is. Now we have cross multiplied, so that the whole upon cos theta. In the next step, this cos theta will go and multiply here. Sorry, not cos theta, sin theta. Sin theta into sin theta is sin theta, sin square theta upon sin theta minus cos theta. Plus, now this cos theta will go and multiply here. It will multiply cos theta, cos square theta upon cos theta minus sin theta. We know that if the denominator is same, then we can add this above numbers. Here we can see sin theta minus cos theta. But here bit different. Cos theta minus sin theta. We will make same denominator. To make same denominator, we should take common sign here minus. This side as it is, sin square theta upon sin theta minus cos theta. Now I am taking minus common. Numerator cos square theta as it is. Here minus sin theta will become plus sin theta and plus cos theta will become minus cos theta, because we have taken sin common. If we multiply and see, we can see that we will get this only. Minus into plus, minus sin theta, minus minus plus cos theta. Understood? Here I have changed the sign. Now denominator is same. Sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta. So we should keep denominator same. Only one time we have to write sin theta minus cos theta. Now what is, if the denominator is same, we should write, like for example 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. What we will do, 5 one time we will write and we will write 3 minus 2 na. Like that only. Denominator one time I have written, and above number we have to write sin square theta minus cos square theta. Now we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 according to identity, but minus sign is here. So we know that a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b according to formula. So we will write a square sin square theta minus cos square theta is sin theta plus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta. One time plus, one time minus, upon denominator as it is sin theta minus cos theta. Now sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta get cancelled, and we got the answer sin theta plus cos theta, which is RHS. This only they have told to prove. Let us see in the question one more time. Sin theta plus cos theta. This only they have told us to prove here. Let us see the next question now. Now question number 26. There is a choice, that is OR. Let us see the question number 26. We have solved this question. Now let us solve this. Prove that cos theta minus 2 cos cube theta upon 2 sin cube theta minus sin theta is equals to cot theta. Let me write that. Prove that cos theta minus 2 cos cube theta upon 2 sin cube theta minus sin theta is equals to cot theta. Like we should bring the answer cot theta by solving this. So let us take LHS. LHS is equals to cos theta minus 2 cos cube theta upon 2 sin cube theta minus sin theta. By taking this, we have to prove this. Okay. So here we can see in the numerator cos theta is common. In both the terms cos theta is common. So I will take cos theta outside. If I have taken cos theta common, if nothing is left means 1. Because I have taken this cos theta outside, so nothing is left, that is 1 minus 2 as it is. Cos theta is common means here cos square theta will left. From 3, if we remove 1, so cos square theta will be left. So I'll write as it is. Here in the denominator, sin theta is common. So I'll write sin theta common. If I took sin theta outside, 2 as it is, sin cube theta is there. So from sin cube theta, 1 sin theta is common. So sin square theta minus, I have taken sin theta common, nothing means 1. Okay, so cos theta is equal, cos theta bracket 1 as it is minus 2 also I'll write as it is. We know that cos square theta is nothing but 1 minus sin square theta identity. Cos square theta is nothing but 1 minus sin square theta. 2 I wrote as it is. In place of cos square theta, I'll write 1 minus sin square theta upon denominator I'll write as it is sin theta upon 2 sin square theta minus 1. Okay, so now cos theta as it is 1 minus 2 ones are 2 minus minus plus 2 into sin square theta is 2 sin square theta. What I have done here, 1 I have written as it is minus as it is 2 ones are 2. 2 into sin square theta is 2 sin square theta upon denominator as it is sin theta 2 sin square theta minus 1. Here cos theta as it is, I'll write first 2 sin square theta, 2 sin square theta, this I wrote here. 1 minus 2 is minus 1 because greater number is 2, so it is having minus sign. 1 minus 2 is minus 1 upon sin theta denominator as it is 2 sin square theta minus 1. So we can see here 2 sin square theta minus 1, 2 sin square theta minus 1 got cancelled. Left is nothing but cos theta upon sin theta, and cos theta upon sin theta is nothing but cot theta RHS. This only they have told us to prove. So we proved this. We can see here they have told to prove cot theta and we got cot theta. Let me tell you in Urdu once. यहाँ पे cos theta cos cube theta में cos theta को कॉमन लिया गया है. अगर cos theta को कॉमन लिया गया है तो यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं बचता है. That is 1 I have written. माइनस ऐसे ही रखना है. 2 को ऐसे ही रखा है मैंने. cos cube theta से एक cos theta कॉमन है तो cos square theta बचता है. अपॉन यहाँ पे sin theta कॉमन लेना है. sin theta कॉमन लिया है तो 2 as it is. sin cube theta है तो sin square theta बचता है. माइनस sin theta ऑलरेडी कॉमन है तो कुछ नहीं बचता है इसलिए 1. सो cos theta as it is 1 minus 2 इंटू cos square theta की आइडेंटिटी जो है 1 minus sin square theta. तो cos square theta की जगह पे 1 minus sin square theta लिखा है. अपॉन sin theta डिनोमिनेटर एज इट इज मैंने लिखा है. सो cos theta 1 माइनस ये जो 2 है ये ब्रैकेट से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 2 1 जा 2 माइनस साइन माइनस माइनस प्लस 2 इंटू साइन स्क्वायर थीटा 2 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा. डिनोमिनेटर एज इट इज लिखना है. cos थीटा 2 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा पहले लिखा है बिकॉज पॉजिटिव साइन एज इट इज लिखा है. 1 माइनस 2 इज माइनस 1 अपॉन साइन थीटा 2 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 1. 2 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 1 2 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 1 कैंसिल होता है. So cos theta by sin theta is nothing but cot theta. So we got the answer. Let us see the next problem. That is question number 27. Let me read out the question number 27. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top and bottom of a transmission tower fixed at the top of 20-meter high building are 60 degree and 45 degree respectively. Find the height of the transmission tower. What they have told in the question, let me draw the figure first. It is given here. Let me draw and show you what they have drawn from a point on the ground. A ground level I'll draw. This is just one ground level. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of top and bottom of the transmission tower fixed on the top of 20-meter high building. For example, this is the 20-meter high building. 20-meter हाई बिल्डिंग के ऊपर एक ट्रांसमिशन टावर फिक्स किया गया है. दिस इज ट्रांसमिशन टावर. Okay, what they are saying, from the point on the ground, the angle of elevation of top and bottom. Top of transmission tower is this, bottom of transmission tower is this. Top and bottom of the angle of elevation of top and bottom of the transmission tower is, angle of elevation, top is 60 degree, bottom is 45 degree. So, angle of elevation of top of ट्रांसमिशन टावर इज 60 डिग्री. फुल एंगल जो है 60 डिग्री है एंड बॉटम ऑफ इज 45 डिग्री. ओनली दिस मच इज 45 डिग्री. ओके, लेट अस राइट एंगल ए, एनी नेम्स बी, आई विल राइट दिस एज सी एंड दिस इज डी. दिस इज 20 मीटर हाई बिल्डिंग. ओके, नाउ लेट अस राइट, लेट क्वेश्चन नंबर 27 इट इज, let BC be the 20 meter high building, 20 meter high building, and AB be the transmission tower, transmission tower. Find the height of the transmission tower they have told. तो हम लोगों को ए बी फाइंड करना है. ओके, नाउ वी कैन सी दिस इज द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम एप्लीकेशन ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री. सो वी शुड फोकस ऑन राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. सो आई टेक दिस स्मॉल राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल बिकॉज समथिंग दे हैव गिवन हियर इन दिस राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. इन ट्राइंगल BCD, we can see BCD is 90 degree. Okay, so this is 45. Tan 45 degree is equals to, because small angle is tan 45. Tan is nothing but opposite upon adjacent, BC by CD. Tan 45 value is 1. We should remember the table well here. Tan 45 is 1. BC is 20 upon CD. CD into 1 is CD. CD is equals to 20 meter. We got the value of CD is 20 meter. Now let us take a big triangle. In triangle ACD, always we should focus on right angle triangle. ACD, angle ACD is 90 degree. Okay, so tan 60, whole angle is 60. We should take tan 60. Tan 60 is equals to, always for application of triangle we focused on tan only because we don't want hypotenuse here. So in sine and cos hypotenuse will come. So tan 60 degree is equals to AC by CD. Tan 60 is √3. AC is nothing but, full AC is nothing but AB plus BC. AC is AB plus BC upon CD. Now let us substitute the value. √3 is equals to AB we don't know, BC value is 20 and CD also we got now 20. Okay, now 20 √3. 20 √3 is equals to 20. I'll bring here and it will get multiplied. AB plus 20. I'll continue here. AB plus 20. So we will bring 20 one side and AB will keep at one side. 20 √3. 20 I'll bring this side. It becomes plus, sign becomes minus. Minus 20 is equals to AB. Here AB is equals to 20 common. I'll take 20 common. So we got √3 minus 20 common means 1. So this is the value of AB. Therefore, the height of transmission tower is 20√3 minus 1 meter. So this completes the question number 27. In my next video, I'll continue from question number 28. Do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.